So we're outside. I'll go ahead and show you the first mode that it has. It has a high mode, kind of just like a spotlight, that gets everything. As you can see, it's not very powerful past a certain point, but it lights up the night very well, especially in close range. Using the adjustable, you can shrink it down to a weird little square, and that is actually pretty good. You can see a couple hundred yards with it. You can see the barn way down there. It's probably about 80 or 90 yards. Some of the different modes. Go ahead and back it out to wider again. We'll switch to medium, to a rapid flash, to an SOS, and then back to high. Oh, there's the medium. Okay. So the flash, the SOS, high, medium, and low.